Ivyblossum Tarot. This is Ivyblossum. Authentically me, authentically you. We forever bloom. I hope you guys can hear me very well. I'm back in my normal area, okay? This is gonna be a collective love reading, okay? It's been a while since I did a love reading. I will be doing the zodiacs. Yes, like I will be doing the zodiacs. Not just the elements. I'll be doing individual zodiacs. Just give me a little minute, okay? Cool. There will be another part to the schematic reading, just not yet. We're waiting on it, okay? So I did do some channel messages for this love collective, okay? Now, one thing I will say is it's gonna be what the Most High wants us to know in regards to love. So there's gonna be some things in there regarding romantic interest, you know, love with family members and all that other stuff. But it's mostly gonna be like love within yourself, okay? Because we're focusing on you, okay? So let's just say, I'm gonna just say this: all of the channel messages that I wrote down are songs. Every single one is songs. I think I have one or two of them, or maybe just one, on my community page. So if you go to the community board, I know I'm not that active on there either, like dang, but I have one of the songs on there, okay? So the first song is I Gotta Be the One You Love. Shawty, I gotta be the one you trust. Tell you that I gotta be the one you need. And I gotta be the one to fill your love for sunshine. I gotta be the one you love, 'cause I will always love you so. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. But that's Gotta Be by Jagged Edge. YouTube. Any of the songs mentioned or shown, I do not own the rights to them. Any artists or entities, names or brands being mentioned or shown, I do not own the rights to them. This is for entertainment purposes. Any of the artists, our songs that are sung, the artist and the name of the song are mentioned or shown, okay? Cool. That is also in the description box below YouTube. Okay, next we have When You Gonna Be My Girl. When it comes to loving, you change the subject. Don't you know that I'm your man? So when you gonna be my girl? Baby, tell me where I stand. So that's some throwback Chris Brown. When You Gonna Be My Girl, okay? Next we have Stop Me. Stop me, oh, stop me. Stop me if you think that you've heard this one before. Stop me, oh, stop me. 'Cause nothing's changed. I still love you. Oh, I still love you. Only slightly. Oh, I still love you. Only slightly less than I used to, my love. Forgive me. The song is hella old. It has been a while. So when that came out the deep crevices of my brain. Okay, but it's called Stop Me by Mark Ronson, featuring Daniel, and then I did not want to put his last name, because I'm gonna butcher that bitch. But if you look it up, okay, I think that's the one that's on my community board as well, okay? Next we have Video by India Irene. Not the average girl from the video. I'm like built like a supermodel, but I love to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl from the video. I was just looping. But yes. And I know I'm not created and make no mistakes on me. I'm like jumping all over the place. My hips and my thighs, I'm loving what I see. I'm not the average girl from the video. All over the place. But that's talking about self-love and what you see in front of you in this physical form, that the Most High did not make any mistakes whatsoever. Yes, there's things that we would like to change on a personal basis, and also based off of, systematic, force-fed symmetry. But but with this song, it's like really appreciate who you are and how God made you, and loving on that. Even though there are things you want to change, okay, if you want to change that, you can change that, but don't let it be predicated off of what someone else thinks. Okay, next we have That's the Way Love Goes. 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 And at first I didn't know who that was. I was like, oh, who sung that? Because I'm going to tell you, that's a throwback. Janet Jackson was looking, she that was grown up Janet Jackson too. That was like, she was still kind of innocent, but she was sexy with it. But yes, that's what oh my god, That's the Way Love Goes by Janet Jackson. Next we have Bed by Jay Holiday. Like the part that's sticking out to me, hold on. Dang it, I lost it. Now it's sticking. Horizon. Oh, it's the breakdown. Tell everybody with all the love. Tell everybody, everybody, Oh god, but that part was sticking out just now, but like, I'm not a rocket body, turn you on. That's not it. I lost it. Anyway, but something about in the morning is a part of that song, or maybe part of the breakdown, but that part was sticking out while I was writing it, okay? But that was Bed by Jay Holiday, okay? And then for last but not least, we have Stronger Than Me by Amy Winehouse. 'Cause I've forgotten all of your love's joy. Feel like a lady and you my lady boy. You should be stronger than me. 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 So pretty much in that song, I know it's love, but it's like you are falling, in her perspective, she was falling out of love with this dude because she felt like she was with a lady herself. And that's kind of harsh to say, but at the same time, oh, I'm not gonna meet your mother anytime. I just wanna grip your body over mine. Is that a crime? 'Cause I've forgotten all of your love's joy. Okay, yeah. That was the part where I started at. Sorry. But yeah, like, essentially, that's kind of harsh to say to somebody, especially to a man. But with some dudes, like, they make you question, like, it's definitely not every man, like, but you know, there's some dudes out here that, like, it really make you question, like, you know. And it's nothing wrong with a man being feminine. That's not what she's saying. What she's saying is, like, as my man, you should be more headstrong than me. Meaning, maybe we're not energetically a match because I want someone that's going to be headstrong. And that's really what I got from the song. Yeah, that's all I got. So that's all the songs that I got. But that Chris Brown song, I got that song in, like, I think I have it dated. I think I got that song sometime. Oh, I got that song April 11th. April 11th. So when you gonna be my girl? That's a throwback Chris Brown. If you know, you know, okay? So, what we're gonna do, try to see where I want to start. A collective love reading. So let's just clear energy. Actually, let's just clear. Clearing, clearing, clearing. Clearing, clearing, clearing. Clearing, clearing, clearing. Clearing, 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 clearing. Clearing energy. Alright. I wasn't going to use these for the love reading, but here I am. I'm just going to get some actually, no, not. Not going to start with those. Start with some tarot. So most high God. Parameter set before this reading started still apply, but clarity, wisdom, insight, and guidance can I give the collective for this love reading? Most High God, what messages do you want me to give for this love reading for the collective? So I'm definitely seeing like Ace of Swords coming out a lot. So definitely some truth coming. For sure. Definitely some truth coming. 10 of Wands. Truth coming about things that have been burdening others. Or just like a lot of things that piled up. What messages do you have for the collective for this collective love reading? That was the Page of Cups, but I'm not really getting much from it right now, so I'm not going to speak on it. Oh, there's definitely a Tower coming for somebody in a situation. Wow, but the Page of Cups, and I think it might be maybe because the offer is being made. It's not the Ace of Cups, and it's not the King of Cups or the Knight of Cups, but it's a Page of Cups. So it's like a new offer is being given, the truth about a new offer being given, or the truth or the thinking, or even just the thought of someone wanting to give somebody an offer. And it's just something new because it's a page. It's something very, 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 very fresh, right? That Tower comes in because something has to crumble in order for this to come about. There's a lot of confusion here I'm getting with the Seven of Cups. Maybe someone has so many different options, so many different choices. Look here. With that falling, so that's going to be the 2 cards. Because with that falling, we have the 7 of Cups that fell. And then right behind it is the Strength card. This is the Taurus card. You know, just because the Bull, but also, so I say it's Taurus because of the Bull here. But the Strength card is also dealing with oh God, slow down. The Strength card is also dealing with Leo, and normally in the tarot it's a goddess, a feminine energy that is taming a lion. So it's definitely dealing with Leo. You can tell it's dealing with Leo because the Roman numerals are 8. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting that else with that. I think the strength to overcome the illusions, or the strength to go ahead and choose the best option. And when you look at, looked like his eyes were closed. Okay. Maybe it's using your inner strength to make a decision. What else does collective need to know? Most High God. The Empress was seen here. If someone's putting an end to a situation, that's called a Death card. Four of Wands, Queen of Cups. What other messages do you have for this collective? Most High God, in regards to love. In regards to love, what other messages do you have for the collective? So yeah, we have the Emperor here. The Emperor is gaining the strength here to go ahead and make that decision. I feel like there was a lot of something about mirror image with the Seven of Cups. Something about mirror image, because even the clouds are mirroring each other. Like mirror here, but here in the middle, it's mirroring an actual cup, you know? Okay? So this Emperor energy has gained the strength to see. So yeah, this is going back into what I was going to say, the intuition. They've gained a strong enough intuition to see which option is the best with their intuition, which means, you know, it's divinely led. Yeah, the Chariot here. So there's some forward movement here, like literally a rocket ship. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einsteins. So that song may be specific. I don't know who remixed it, YouTube. So don't get on me, okay? But yeah, with the Chariot, the Chariot is giving Cancer energy. For number reference, we have 7, 8, 4, and 7. Okay. We have Aries. I said Taurus, Leo, Cancer. But then we have just water signs in general, Pisces and Scorpio, as well as Cancer, okay, thus far. But yes, with the Emperor here and the Chariot card here, this Emperor is they're moving. And something about the Sun and Moon here as well, okay? Look at the Sun and Moon, they boot up. That's Boot Up by LMA. Yeah. Send me to the moon. I wanna be with the stars. Send me into orbit. Oh, okay, so this Emperor feels like they go into orbit with whatever choice that's being chosen. It's the one that sends them into outer space. They feel like this choice is gonna be the one that takes them all the way to the moon. This could be something to do with stocks too. Dogecoin. Wasn't that the Dogecoin? Talking about all the way to the moon. But yeah, To the Moon. That was To the Moon by Alex Isley. Yeah, Alex Isley. But I think Farrah, I think that's his name, he did a remix to it too. So either one of them can get the credit. Okay, YouTube? So let's see what else. No, we're not taking that. What other messages do you want the I need the collective to know right now in regards to this love collective once I got what else to the story? I keep seeing the Empress when I split the deck to shuffle. Okay, so with the Six of Swords here, that's definitely talking about this is like mentally moving forward, because the Four of Swords is normally depicted as someone laying down, sorting throughout all of their, what's going on or what has happened, right? Five of Swords is dealing with mental confrontation, which is like your inner battle, your inner dialogue, or you fighting your ego, right? And then with the Six of Swords, it's all right, we're just moving on from that. So this Emperor here is literally the main focus right now, with 5 cards being out and the Emperor being in the middle. This Emperor has made a decision, using his strength to moving forward mentally. I'm really feeling physically too, but it has to be mental first to move forward from some other options that they had to go towards this specific option that takes them to where they really would like to be, outer worldly. feel like this Emperor knows that this person he's choosing, they have great chemistry to the point where they feel like they're literally just floating in outer space when they're around this person. Okay, so we have a Knight of Cups. So they're coming in Knight in Shining Armor type of energy. Okay. We have moons here again. So yeah, it's definitely dealing with a water sign. Definitely could be Cancer. But we have air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm gonna say Gemini for this card, but it could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Excuse me. Ow. As well as some more water here. So there's a lot of love. Okay. A lot of love because we got 2 water cards. We got 3 major arcanas in a row too. Okay. But that Emperor energy is very action oriented. Very much action oriented. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the 10 of Cups. So the 10 of Cups is like, that's happy home life. That's rainbow, 2 little kids, dog, cat, white picket fence, lovely couple enjoying lemonade in the sun type of energy. That's like, okay, I don't know what else to say. But yes, that's the 10 of Cups. So someone wants this with you. Oh. Sneaky. I didn't even see this being here. So I feel like okay, so we're continuing. We're continuing here. Okay. So this was out before I took this from the bottom of the deck. So I'm just going to pull from the bottom of the deck after that. But to explain this, with the 2 of Pentacles being under the 7 of Cups, I feel like this Emperor here is centered around this Emperor. But it can be, you can be an Empress energy, but in Emperor mode. So you may be an Empress in Emperor, embodying your Emperor energy, because we embody both. Okay. If that made sense when I explained that. But with the 7 of Cups here and the 2 of Pentacles clarifying underneath it, this is juggling funds between options, right? Having enough funds to do what you want to do with these options. So maybe this is someone that was dating around, or this is someone that was trying to literally have more than one relationship going on, or this could be someone that just invested into situations, right? With loved ones, right? Because this can be a lover, but then like your loved one, right? Trying to balance between who to give to more, where the funds are going. Or you have to take care of your household that you have with your lover, but your loved one needs help. That sort of thing. Well, whoever is in this Emperor energy, they've had the strength to pull through, to put their focus back on their 10 of Cups. That's what they're focusing on. Their 10 of Cups. They're not going to focus on juggling between whatever was going on with the Seven of Cups, which is, well, the confusion. Oh, yeah, that's what the word is today. Hey, hey. That's Bowl of Confusion, something like that from Sister Act, okay? Look, I be having random songs on deck in my mind, okay? Don't judge me. But this Emperor energy, male or female, is focusing on the Ten of Cups. They're just putting all the strength into that. They're just like, no, I just want my happiness. I just want what I want, what I believe is happiness, and I believe the Ten of Cups is happiness. Once again, can be this Taurus energy, Leo energy here. Next, we have the Lover's card. I really do like this Lover's card. I don't even like snakes like that, y'all. I don't. But I really like how this is done. Like, that would be actually a dope-ass tattoo, kind of. I don't even like snakes like that. But what I'm getting with this, because it's like, one is like very cosmic-y with like the stars and many constellations in it, and one has like vines on it, if you can see it. So it's giving Kundalini energy, okay? When you interact with your lover in an intimate manner, if you're picking up what I'm putting down, creates very strong Kundalini energy with this Emperor/Empress energy here. That's what this person think about. Excuse me. Next, we have the Hermit card. So right now we have literally 5 major arcanas out with the Hermit card here. It's giving a slingshot effect. Okay, so in order for this rocket to take off, that's going on in the Chariot card here, the Hermit card had to pull themselves back. They had to exclude themselves from a lot of things. This can be, hey, I'm gonna pull myself back financially. I ain't going out. I ain't doing this. I ain't doing that. Okay, because I want to be going very far, right? We're in love, but this can be career-wise because it's what you got love for. I want to go hard and pay for my family, okay? For my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, my grandma, my grandpa. Like, whoever it was that this energy was helping as a loved one, you know? And then also this can be in love. Like, I had to go back. I had to pull myself back. Whoa, Nelly, pull back the reins and see what it was that I really wanted. And how was I showing that I really wanted it by how I was investing with the Two of Pentacles. Was I sometimes investing and sometimes not? You know? Next we have the Four of Swords. Now, didn't I just say with the explaining the Four of Swords and then the Five of Swords to the Six of Swords? The Four of Swords came out underneath the Six of Swords. Okay? So that's where that person is coming from. So the bottom row is just clarifying what happened, what is happening on the top row is happening. So this Emperor found his lover and he's ready to do it. He or she is ready to go. They're ready to go after they took the time to really go in and heal themselves. Like I said, with the Four of Swords, that's a very healing card. You're really taking accountability are compartmentalizing, realizing what happened, okay? Feeling what happened, going through the motions and solidifying it, like that did happen, but that doesn't make me. I can only grow from it, and let's move forward, okay? So underneath the Knight of Cups, we have the Six of Cups. Like I said, Knight and shiny armor energy. This is equal balance. There's a lot of love here. There's a lot of love here. This is a really good love reading for the collective. So whoever it was that you were thinking of, they really have love for you. They really do. They really do have love for you. It's all over. It's all over. 4. We got 4 Cups cards. Excuse the fuck out of me. We got 4 Cups cards. As I was saying, but at the bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Pentacles. So not only is it love, there's solidness here with this Ace of Pentacles. Okay? There's solidness here. Stable love. I feel like that's why that Hermit energy was here. They went in to make sure they were able to be stable with this. They didn't want to come into this all willy-nilly. They wanted to come into this thing stable. But the Six of Cups being underneath the Knight of Cups, this is, hey, I mutually feel the same. Like, it's equal. I'm coming in as your prince, your knight. Excuse me. So let's just see what we get from my deck really quick. What messages, multi-card, do you have for this love collective? Yeah, because I didn't want this to be long, y'all. I really did not. Not at all. Okay, guys, what messages do you have for this collective? For this love collective, what messages? So I feel like there was some spell work at play, and that's gonna be on the seven of cups. So there was some spell work at play with some confusion here to spark confusion, to have this person kind of like going in circles, boom, 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 all around and around, like stuck on a hamster wheel, looping. Okay, then we have law. Okay, law. So the law may be involved, or this might be spiritual law, putting a stop to the spell workings and ending that. Okay, or maybe this empress energy is laying down the law. I just saw third party, but I'm not taking that. So something with the law, third party. We have SA here. We have 323 Salrap, a governor of a Persian province. and then the initial P. Could be first name, last name, middle name. So this is just some of the things. Take it as it resonates. But this could be some of the things that was happening in the background with this said situation. But this person want to come in for sure. For sure. We have a house fire that happened. Okay. Shift in perspective. For this collective, Most High God. What else do you have for this love collective, Most High God? What clarity, wisdom, insight, and guidance do you have for this love collective, Most High God? I feel like with this house fire, I feel like that was with whoever it was that was taking care of loved ones. It's because there was this house fire that happened. The initial U, first name, last name, middle name. This could be universe too, or university. The messages do you have for this collective in regards to love? Yeah, the initial Z, first name, last name, middle name, nickname. Okay, we have 111, Hadad, an Edomite enemy God raised up to punish Solomon. I shall move swiftly, I shall love. Kings 11-17. So I feel like God had to raise someone up. I shall move swiftly, I shall love. Somebody's coming in with a swiftness. Okay. I shall love. They shall love. Initial E, first name, last name, middle name, nickname. The last one. Yo, I can't make this up. This came out on the 6 of Cups. Someone wants to apologize. Okay? Someone wants to apologize. At the bottom of the deck, we have 808 with sense of pressing down foundation. Isaiah 16:7. Someone's coming in with that solid foundation, just like with the Ace of Pentacles here. That solid foundation. Okay? Let's see. I want to do the island time wellness cards. My son eats paper. He's a toddler. Any last cards that you want the collective? Anything else that you want the collective to know before we end this reading? Most High God, Universe, Spirit, Angels, Archangels. What do you want the collective to know in regards to this love collective? So this came out on I'm Sorry. We have the runner in a codependent relationship, fear intimacy, listening to ego. Yeah, that's what that shift in perspective was. They had to change their ego. And don't get me wrong, whoever is listening to this and thinking about your person, there were some ego things that you had to change around yourself, okay? Anything else they need to know before we end the reading? We have mirroring each other, self-image relationships, reflect our wounds, introspection. Yeah, going back to that Four of Swords, even with the Six of Swords and the Seven of Cups, when I talked about the mirroring. Okay. Sorry, I cannot breathe right now. But yeah, they had to do some introspection. Let's get one more just to see. One more before we end it. Okay, not one, we got two. Oh, we got three. Hold on. Okay, we have love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. So I feel like that's what's going to be... Excuse me, that's what's going to be coming in. And that's when that person is going to express how sorry they am and give that apology. And they're coming in because they're running in because of the fact that there was a separation. Says sadness, missing you, thinking about you and yearning, unsure of future. Okay? They coming in when I'm sorry, like they may or may not want to even talk about everything that happened, especially after them doing all of the healing on themselves, you know. They may or may not want to. Depends on your person, depends on where they are, depends on where you are in the journey also. But that shift in perspective, man, happened during the course of separation. There was a lot of things that went on behind the scenes, obviously. Last, we have the sword and the rose. Clarity, truth. Revivation. Solidarity, force, honor, protection, power. That's that strength that came in. Okay? That's that strength that came in for them to go ahead and give clarity, give the truth to solidarity. Solidarity. Pressing down foundation. I can't make this up. At the bottom of the deck, we have healthy choices. Making healthy choices in love and in life. Self-love, self-care, being happier. That's at the bottom of the deck. Didn't I say, like, you know, it not just being, like how it started, it not just being, no, not the average girl from the video. That song plays a major part. I learned to love myself unconditionally. Yeah. I'm trying to hold this still because this will be the thumbnail. Alright. So this is on both party sides. This is in all of our lives. This is mother, father, sister, brother, cousin, auntie, uncle, neighbor, cat, dog, grasshopper, a bird. Okay. You start making healthier choices within your life, who you want to be around, what you're doing with your time, what you're eating, what you're watching, how you're doing these things, when you're doing these things, how long you're doing these things. And it is difficult when we have lived a life that is just and has encouraged consistent distraction, you know, but no more. Okay, healthier choices are being made, and that's a good sign that this person has learned their lesson. So if you're in a situation to where you don't want to hear what the person has to say because you think they're still on whatever, if that's even your situation, I would say hear this person out. Even if they don't want to go right into the full details of what happened behind the scenes, go with the flow. Like, take your time with the situation. It's sensitive because even though it may not seem that it just ended, you know, it may have been a while. It depends how long that situation was going for, that they ended or stopped giving time to. Okay? Yeah, a love call is coming. Alright, so collective, that has been the love reading for you guys. If you would like a personal reading, all of the information is in my description box below. You can donate as well. Need some new cards, so if you would like to donate to the channel by going to my Amazon wish list and purchasing some cards for the channel, like I said, it's in the description. Remember, we are forever blooming. Okay? You and your person are forever blooming. Everyone around you is forever blooming. So show a little love, show a little patience, show a little gentleness. Even though sometimes people want to make you go full raw mode. I know. It's okay. They're okay. And you're okay. It's just life. Okay? I love you. Peace.
If you're looking for a win, looking for attention, looking for